Hello and welcome to our webeyeCMS video tutorials. For this tutorial, we're going to walk through how to create a user account. As you can see, we're already logged into webeyeCMS. The webeyeCMS hierarchy allows you to control who has access to which sites. To do this, simply create a user in a group above all of the sites you wish them to have access to. For this example, I will add a user to the group North. This will give the user access to this group and any subgroups therein. I will click here to add a new user to this group. A user creation template will pop up. It is recommended that the username given is the user's email address. The password should be unique and shared securely. A full name for the user is mandatory, and an optional phone number can be included. Application type refers to the type of mobile device used to access webeyeCMS. If the type of device is unknown, it can be left blank, and Webeye will determine the device type upon login. The country of residence and display language are mandatory fields. It's crucial that the time zone for the user is set correctly. All timestamps recorded by Webeye will differ based upon this selection. The default alarm types to choose from are Standard Alarm Message or webeyeMessage. These are commonly abbreviated to SAM and WEM alarms respectively. SAM alarms are traditional alarms that are intended for professional users. When webeyeCMS receives an appropriate event from your alarm system, an alarm is raised and all subsequent events are collected into this one alarm. Notifications will be sent to enabled users every 10 minutes until someone closes the alarm. WEM alarms are intended for residential users, where regular notifications are sent and alarms do not need to be closed. WEM alarms can be marked as read or unread, like an email inbox list. We recommend WEM alarms for in-home app users. There are two alarm list types to choose from: live alarms and notifications. A live alarm list will generate alarms with no delay, showing all open alarms to a user at all times. Alarms in a notification-based alarm list can be delayed. This is especially useful if you are a supervisor or somebody that is a secondary alarm handler. The delay can be configured here or later by editing the user's subscription list. The alarm list notification type will affect how Webeye will alert you of new events when viewing the alarm list. Options include visual and auditory notifications, with or without repeats. The contact details field can be used to include any additional contact information for the user, or any notes if necessary. A tick box to set the user as an administrator is also included. Being an administrator allows you to view, handle and close SAM alarms, live link and take snapshots, as well as invite other users. If a user is not set as an administrator, these permissions can be applied individually on a per-user basis. We recommend that both subscriptions are ticked for existing and future sites. It is important to know that if either of these options are disabled, enabling can only be achieved by configuration via site or user subscriptions. Once you're happy with the information and the preferences set for the user, click Create User. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, please take a look at our video library.